Upon entering the stadium, you have the right to verify whether the security service provider deployed is registered with SIRA. Visit www.sira.co.za to confirm their registration and training status for event security. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs! Welcome to my fans on the TV, international friendly, Bafana 3, Zambia 0. I'm joined by fan, my brother, Libizo Kimango guy.
Ke khotmane ke hlablo mo.
Game when is one chaka?
Ne le mnate khotmane ne dintsha.
Yeah. O tladile ka mang vandag?
Ai wa bona nkota khotmane
How you? Man goal ya.
One goal,
Yeah.
one assist.
Yeah.
Umnate nkota.
O renka master chef.
Ish. Master Chef obvious.
Yeah.
Awaphe.
Usipho inkomo, usipho chayini.
Inkomo kwena wena. Awaphe Master Chef.
Usipho no, wawuthi uyabheda. Usipho akalazi ibhola usipho. Usipho akalazi. Jonga bayana lesa player siza nayo la player defenders. Siza nayo. That player even lapho sing needs be sing then awukwazi ke ngoku ayizokwazi khona izoyenza izokhaba into encinci usipho uyaphuma bayisabaza umile usipho because jonga le bhola yarola njani uzongena man uyawuhlala ngunumber 2 usipho awikho usipho chayini. Did you know you can also verify the registration status of security officers by scanning the QR code on their SIRA identification card?